Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking essentials and logging in. Make sure Docker engine is running. Run Docker version to verify. Once done, authenticate to Docker Hub with Docker login, entering your username and password or access token. This step creates credentials Docker uses for pulls, so don't skip it. If you'll script this, prefer an access token instead of a password for security. Finally, confirm the exact image name and tag you intend to pull. That avoids pulling the wrong artifact. Now you execute the pull. Run docker pull repository /name tag to download the image. If you omit the tag, Docker uses latest by default. Make sure to specify platform if you need a different architecture, for example platform Linux /AMD 64. Docker downloads image layers incrementally. Watch the progress in the terminal. If a layer is cached locally, Docker skips it. Once the pull finishes, verify with Docker images or Docker image inspect to confirm the exact digest and tag. Finish by validating and, if needed, troubleshooting. Confirm the image exists locally with Docker images or Docker image ls. Inspect it for digest and size. Then run a short container, for example docker run rm at repository /name tag, to ensure it starts and behaves as expected. If the pull fails, first rerun Docker login, check your network and proxy settings, and inspect the Docker daemon logs for permission or TLS errors. One key tip: clear credential cache or retry with an access token.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.